Let's talk about the Miliopatoidae, or what you may call the stingray. Stingrays are those flat, floppy fish you've probably seen at an aquarium or even got to touch in a touch tank. They are found mostly in coastal tropical bodies of water, and they belong to a family of cartilaginous fishes, which means that their exoskeletons are composed of cartilage, which is the same material that composes your ears and your nose. This is also true of their closest relative, the shark. Many people recognize these creatures for their unique body, graceful movement through the water, and their most common feature, their stinging barbed tail, hence the name stingray. Stingrays are bottom feeders, and they typically hide in the sand along the seafloor. This is why their eyes are on the top of their heads, to stay alert and keep watch of their surroundings while buried in the sand of the ocean floor. They breathe through their gills, which are located on the underside of their body. But how do they breathe when buried in the sand? Well, stingrays have a special adaptation for this called spiracles. Spiracles are the round openings on the top of their heads just behind their eyes. They use their spiracles to pump clean water that is free of sand into their gill chambers. This allows them to remain motionless on the seafloor while waiting for prey, as well as avoiding predators. At first, it was believed that this was the only purpose of the spiracles. But in recent years, scientists discovered something entirely new about them: their capability to allow the stingray to communicate. Initially, biologists believed that the stingrays only communicated in a limited way through body movement and actions. However, in 2018, a recorded video captured the first documented evidence of stingrays emitting sounds. Previously, it was only a myth told by fishermen and sailors that stingrays made sounds. However, the video that was captured contained footage of a mangrove whipray emitting loud clicking sounds from its spiracles. And to date, only one other type of ray, the cowtail ray, has been found making these clicking sounds. So far, these rays are the only known species to emit sounds, while others remain silent. Researchers believe that these sounds are used for defense or warnings, as they generally only make them when excited or threatened. What has these marine scientists so puzzled is how these sounds are even emitted. Stingrays don't have vocal cords, so it's difficult to understand how this is even possible. Some researchers believe that it involves the rapid movement of their head or jaw and their spiracles. This is an exciting discovery, as noise production from these creatures has never been published before. Marine scientists hope that this news will bring awareness to ray populations, as many other species are under threat from human beings. It also goes to show how much we still don't know about the ocean or the creatures living in it, even about common species like the stingray. With so much left to discover, it's highly likely that the best is yet to come.